This is the complete guide to HeyGen, the AI video platform used by over 40,000 companies worldwide to create professional talking head videos without a camera, studio, or presenter. By the end of this video you will know exactly what HeyGen does, how avatar and voice cloning works, how to translate any video into 40+ languages with automatic lip sync, every pricing plan, how it compares to Synthesia, DID, Runway, and 11 Labs, and the real use cases where HeyGen is saving businesses hours every week. Let us get into it. HeyGen is an AI video creation platform. The core idea is simple: you provide a script, choose an avatar, and HeyGen produces a video. No camera, no lighting, no presenter, no editing suite. It is used by over 40,000 companies, from individual YouTube creators to enterprise sales and HR teams. The platform offers over 300 built-in AI avatars covering diverse ages, genders, languages, and presentation styles. The defining features that separate HeyGen from most competitors are three. First, voice cloning. You clone your own voice from a 2-minute recording and your avatar speaks every future video in your voice. Second, video translation. HeyGen translates and lip syncs any existing video into 40+ languages in minutes. Third, the streaming avatar API Alive, interactive AI avatar you can embed directly into your own products and workflows. Let me walk through every major HeyGen feature. AI avatars, over 300 built-in presenters covering multiple languages and presentation styles. Instant avatar, upload a short video of yourself and HeyGen clones your face and voice. Your digital twin speaks all future videos for you. Voice cloning, record 2 minutes of clean audio and HeyGen creates a voice model that sounds exactly like you across every language it translates into. Video translation, the most commercially powerful feature. Upload any existing video and HeyGen returns a lip-sync translation in minutes. HeyGen Studio, the full scene editor with templates, brand kit, transitions, and text overlays. Streaming avatar, Alive, conversational AI avatar delivered via API used by companies to build AI customer support and sales tools. Screen recording with avatar overlay, no separate recording tool needed. And talking photo, animate any still portrait or product image to speak. Avatar and voice cloning is HeyGen's defining capability. Here is exactly how it works. You film 2 to 3 minutes of yourself speaking naturally, any camera including your phone. Upload it to HeyGen. The platform automatically builds a face model replicating your expressions, head movements, and lip patterns. Simultaneously it builds a voice model from the audio, capturing your tone, rhythm, pace, and accent. Once built, you select your clone avatar for any new project. Paste your script and it speaks in your voice with natural expression. The multilingual capability is the most commercially valuable part. Your cloned voice speaks translated videos too. Your English video physical. Crumble, the subject breaks apart with gritty, textural realism. And crush, the subject collapses inward with dramatic tension. All of these work on uploaded images or live video frames. Here is exactly how to create your first HeyGen video. Step 1, go to heygen.com and create a free account, no card required. 1 video credit is included immediately. Step 2, choose your avatar. Browse the 300+ built-in options by language, gender, and style. Or start your instant avatar by uploading a short recording of yourself. Step 3, paste your script directly into the editor. HeyGen automatically syncs the text to the avatar's speech. You can add custom pauses or emphasis markers if needed. Step 4, set your language, select a voice, choose your aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for shorts and reels, and hit generate. Your video is ready in 1 to 3 minutes. Video translation is one of HeyGen's most commercially powerful capabilities. Here is the exact workflow. Step 1, upload your original video to HeyGen. Any MP4 works. HeyGen extracts the audio and detects the source language automatically. Step 2, select your target language from over 40 options. Spanish, Hindi, French, Japanese, Arabic, Portuguese, and many more. Step 3, HeyGen translates the script using AI and rebuilds the lip sync frame by frame to match the translated speech. The result is a video where the presenter appears to be speaking the new language natively. Step 4. Review the translated script in the editor, make any corrections, and download your localized video as an MP4 ready to publish. Here is where HeyGen is generating the most business value right now. Sales outreach. Teams are creating personalized video messages at scale. Each video addresses the recipient by name, references their company, and speaks to their specific pain point. Response rates on personalized video outreach are 3 to 5 times higher than email. Training and learning and development, onboarding and compliance videos are built once without a studio and updated by regenerating, no reshoot, no re-edit. Marketing teams are producing product explainers and launch videos in hours and localizing them into 40+ languages without a translation agency. Customer support teams are generating avatar walkthrough videos for help centers and FAQs. And the API allows engineering teams to generate personalized videos programmatically at scale, triggered by CRM data, sales events, or support tickets. HeyGen's streaming avatar and API capabilities are what separate it from simpler video tools. The streaming avatar delivers a live, real-time AI avatar via WebRTC. It can hold a conversation, respond to questions, and interact naturally. Companies are embedding this into customer support portals, sales tools, and AI assistant interfaces. The REST API lets engineering teams generate videos programmatically from any system, triggered by CRM events, onboarding flows, support tickets, or automation platforms. Webhook support means you can build fully automated video pipelines with no manual intervention. Real use cases include AI receptionists, personalized onboarding flows, and live sales demo assistants that respond to prospect questions. Enterprise tiers include dedicated infrastructure for teams with high volume generation needs. Who is HeyGen for? Sales teams are the biggest commercial users, personalized video outreach at scale. Learning and development and HR teams use HeyGen for onboarding and compliance videos that can be updated without a studio reshoot. Marketing teams generate product explainers, launch announcements, and add variants in hours rather than days. Content creators are running avatar-led YouTube channels where they never appear on camera. Agencies are using HeyGen to deliver client video content faster and cheaper. SaaS and tech companies are embedding the streaming avatar API into their own products as an AI assistant or support feature. And educators are generating full course and tutorial content with their cloned avatar as the presenter. Here is what organizations are actually building with HeyGen right now. Investment firms are creating personalized video updates for each investor, name, portfolio performance, and key numbers generated automatically from CRM data. Product teams are recording one launch video and generating 12 language versions with lip sync in the same afternoon. Executives are delivering key results to stakeholders via their cloned AI avatar without a single camera session. Sales teams have set up automated follow-up systems where their cloned avatar sends a personalized video to each prospect after a call. Global HR teams are building localized onboarding in every language their offices operate in. Support teams are generating AI walkthrough videos triggered by specific help tickets. And faceless YouTube channels with a consistent AI avatar presenter are growing audiences without the creator ever appearing on screen. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Synthesia, HeyGen's voice cloning and video translation are more advanced. Synthesia has a longer enterprise track record and a larger avatar library. Versus DID, HeyGen's full studio and brand kit make it more production ready. DID generates talking photos faster. Versus Runway, HeyGen owns the Avatar Plus script workflow. Runway leads on cinematic video generation and visual effects. Versus Descript, HeyGen handles multilingual lip sync. Descript is deeper for audio editing and podcast production. Versus 11 Labs, HeyGen produces a full video with an avatar. 11 Labs has finer voice quality control and more voice customization. The honest summary: HeyGen is the best-rounded platform if your primary goal is avatar-led video production and video translation. If you need cinematic footage or specialist audio, other tools lead in those categories. 8 tips that make a real difference to your HeyGen output. 1. Write shorter sentences. Avatars read at a consistent pace, use punctuation to control rhythm, not long sentences. 2. Record your voice clone in a quiet room. 2 clean minutes of audio produces a far better voice model than 10 minutes of noisy recording. 3. Add custom pauses. Bracket pause markers or extra commas give the avatar natural rhythm and prevent monotone delivery. 4. Set your brand kit once fonts, colors, and logo apply to every future video automatically. 5. Generate both 16:9 and 9:16 from the same script in one session. 6. Always review the translated script before exporting. AI translation occasionally mistranslates names, brands, or technical terms. 7. Match the avatar's formality level to your brand. A business attire avatar in a casual startup video creates the wrong tone. 8. If you are on an API plan, use webhooks to generate hundreds of personalized videos overnight. Before you use HeyGen's cloning features, there are important things to know. Consent: you must have explicit written permission from any person whose face or voice you clone. HeyGen's terms of service prohibit cloning for impersonation or creating deceptive content. Violations result in account suspension. Disclosure: in regulated industries and on platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, and Meta, you are required to clearly label AI-generated video content. Commercial rights: your clone avatar is commercially licensed from the creator plan upward. The free plan does not include commercial use. Data handling: review HeyGen's data retention policy before uploading footage of clients or employees. And be aware that the free plan embeds a HeyGen watermark. Watermark removal requires a paid subscription. HeyGen has an active trust and safety team that reviews reports and acts on policy violations. HeyGen pricing. The free plan includes 1 video credit, enough to test the platform fully with a 1-minute video. Videos are watermarked and capped at 1 minute on the free tier. Creator is $29 a month, 15 credits, voice cloning, no watermark, and commercial use rights. This is the plan most individual creators and solo professionals need. Team is $89 a month, 30 credits, 3 seats, the full brand kit, and priority support. If you are running a small agency or content team, Team is the right tier. Enterprise is custom-priced unlimited credits, full API access, single sign-on, and a dedicated customer success manager. My recommendation: start free to evaluate. Move to Creator when you need voice cloning and commercial rights. Upgrade to Team when you have multiple people generating content. Here is everything you need. Start at HeyGen.com, free account, 1 video credit, no credit card. Upgrade to Creator at $29 when you want voice cloning and commercial rights, available at HeyGen.com/pricing. Upgrade to Team at $89 when you have a team generating content. If you want to compare HeyGen to an enterprise-first alternative, Synthesia at synthesia.io is worth evaluating, link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what HeyGen can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now go create your first AI video. See you in the next one.